This video is about mixture and allegation. Before going to the topic, I covered all the topics of aptitude and reasoning. Please see the links in the description section for the better understanding, as well as I added in the playlist as well. Okay, let's start the session with respect to what is mixture and allegation. The mixture and allegation is nothing but the mixture is nothing but the mixing of two or more things or components. The allegation is nothing but to find out the ratios which has been mixed at the rate of profit or loss. Whether it is profit or loss, we need to find out the ratios of mixing of the components. Okay, let's take the problem. We will understand what is the thing. Okay, and before going to the topic, before solving the problem, please highlight, because this is the fraction. If we know this fraction, because I already covered in the percentage topics as well, because 1 is nothing but a 100%. Wherever mentioned, where is 1 is nothing but 100%, off is nothing but a 50%, 1 by 3 is nothing but a 33.3%. If your mug up is these formulas, these things, definitely we can easily solve any of the problem by using these fractions. Okay, let's solve the problems. Please mug it up, please may note it down for these fractions. Okay, this is the formula for the mixture and allegation. Let's note down these formulas. Okay, I will take one few example. In a class 30 boys are there, because I will take it as n1. This is the n1, 30 boys. Okay, 30 boys, and n2 is nothing but a number of girls, and 20 girls. Okay, and the average of those 30 boys is 45 kg. Understand? That is, I will take it as a1. This is the term a1, and a2 I will mention for the better understanding topic. And a2, the average weight of girls is 35 kg. I need to find out the average weight of the class in a section. Okay, on that time I am applying the formula. This is the long cut method. I will show the shortcut method. I will solve first here. Okay, here I am using the mouse, that's why my handwriting was not good. Plus 20 into 35. Okay, n1 plus n2, that is nothing, I will directly written as 50. Okay, 45 3 the 135, that is meant to be 1350, and 35 to the 70, 700. Fine. Then 50, if we're adding those 135 and 700, 2050 we will get, and then we will show it as cancel 0. 5 for the 5, the 41 is the average weight of this class. This is the long cut method. Okay, I will show the shortcut as well. Please observe carefully how we need to solve by using this one. Okay, I will make it down here. I will always use to a1. Okay, I will change the color. This is the a1, this is the a2, middle I will written as a. Okay, this one is n1 and n2. This one n1 is nothing but a2 minus a. Understand? a2 minus a2 minus a. This one n2 is nothing but a minus a1. Okay, I will write in as like this only. A1 is nothing but here I will write a1 is nothing but 45. Understand? Here 30. I need to find out the a. I don't know the values of this, and n1 is nothing but 30 and 20. I will take it as okay, 30 and 20. For the better calculation, I will remove those zeros. Okay, that's what I mean to say. I will take it as directly as 3 and 2. Observe carefully. See, 30 minus 3, that means 30 minus 3 is nothing but 27. Understand? Or else okay, fine, 33 minus 30 is nothing but 3. Understand? Okay, here 33 minus 45, what is meant to be, that will not auto coming as 2. That's what I make it to as equal. That means I need to make it as equal. If anything is coming for these values, this is the highlighted value. What I am here, this is the highlighted value. This could be coming as same value. For that, I multiplication 2, or else take the LCM. 3 and 2 LCM is 6. Fine, I will take it as multiple as 2. This one after multiple 6 and 2. Okay, then what we need to do, this is okay, sorry, this is the 35. Not, I will give the problem I written as wrong. This is the 35. Okay, 35. See, the 41 minus, this is the 41 minus 35 is 6. 41 minus 35 is 6. As well as 41 minus this one after multiplication, this should be converting as 4. Okay, 45 minus 41 is 4. Therefore this is uh, completely it should be valid, because 41 minus 35 is 6, as well as 45 minus 41 is 4, then should be valid. We can easily solve out the problem by using this method. Then we can easily solve within a fraction of, say, if you are applying this formula, it should be take more time. Okay, I will take one more problem for the better understanding purpose. Okay, this is the what I mean to say. N1 is nothing but a2 minus a1. This one a2 minus a, as well as n2 is nothing but a1 minus a1. We can also apply this formula, but it would be take more. That's what I mean to say. This is shortcut one. I will take one more problem. This is the problem. In what ratio the milk at 62 rupees at kg be fixed with the T. Okay, fine. In what ratio the milk is 62 rupees per kg. Fine. The milk is nothing but I will take it as A162. Okay, here it is, the point is there directly. That's what for the better fraction plus 620 I am taking. Okay, for the better fraction purpose or else better problem purpose, I am taking as 6.5 decimal is there. That's what I make it as 62 as 620 for the problem. Fine. Okay, I will take the formula method. Initially I will take it as shortcut, otherwise you will not at all get. Okay, already we know the formula. A is equal to n1 a1 plus n2 a2 n1 plus n2. Okay, fine. The mixture must be, okay, what we need to find out, in what ratio of milk at be 62 per kg. Here given it as A1 is given and A2 is given, as well as, and that mixture must be worth 64. Okay, A is also given. The average value I will take it as 64.0. Here 62, we need to find out the fraction n1. What is the ratio n1 and n2? We need to find out 61, 62 and 72 n2 and n1 plus n2. Fine, this is the one. After, okay, 64.50 n1 plus 64.50 n2 is equal to 62 n1 plus 72 n2. If subtracting from both the end, therefore 62 minus this one, 2.5 n1. Okay, and 72 minus 64.5, that is going to be 7.5. I'm neglect the point because decimal is same. Okay, this one make it as n1 by n2. Now it should be coming as 75 by 22. I remove the decimals because anyway decimals is same position. Okay, 3:1 is the answer for this question by using this formula. Okay, if you are forgetting this formula on that time, how we need to do, already I showed. For the better understanding purpose, I will tell here how we need to solve this problem. Okay, already we wrote how to, for the decimal register for the better price 620. This one is the A1, already I told, and A2 I taken as this is the initial problem, I taken as it is 62, and even average value is also given here 645. Fine. Therefore already I told this one 720 minus 645. What is the answer? Yes, 75 is the thing. Okay, as well as here 645 minus 620 is 25. Therefore average is, here it is 1 and 3. Therefore 3:1 ratio. How it would be? Within 2 seconds. Okay, we can easily solve this problem by using the formula. We can take, it would be take more time for applying all the values and multiplication. It will take more time. By using this logic, definitely could solve within 1 second or 2 seconds if your speed. That's what, because here I'm not speed, because for understanding purpose I make it as slowing down while solving. Okay, answer is 3:1, same as it is coming. Fine, I will take one more problem here. Okay, we can also doing from this method also, n1 n2. Already I told the formula, a2 minus a, as well as a, because anyway a is given. That's what This is also formula already I told, note down like that, n1 by n2, therefore a2 minus 72 minus 64.5 as well as 64.5, or change the color, minus 62, here coming as 7.5 minus 2.5. Anyway, a is given, that's what I can, you can use this formula as well. Okay, 3:1 is the thing. Better, because which one is easy to you can pick it up, those things, because I shown all the three methods how to solve this problem. Okay, I will take initial take second problem. This is the second problem. In what ratio multi at, okay, one is given, that must be marked as okay mixture. A is also given, this is a direct formula, I will not at all take more time. Initially 14, 18 and given it as 17, therefore minus is coming, therefore here it is 18 minus 7 is 1, as well as 1 is the answer here. 17 minus 3 is 3, therefore the ratio is 1:3 is the answer. Here is the answer is 1:3, or else apply the formula n1 by n2, or n1 by n2, a2 minus a minus a1, or else a, or formula you already know, a is equal to n1 plus n1 a1 plus n2 a2 by n1 plus n2. Apply this formula, or else directly using this logic. If you know comfortably with it, directly use. We always choose to comfortably with this one only, because if you're solving problems, definitely could solve any of the problem within a seconds. Okay, I will take third problem. It will be it's a different kind of problem. Okay, I will solve by 2-3 method, 4 methods I will show. Which one is comfortable you can take. Okay, I will show first basic method from the ratio. Already I covered the ratios in the percentage topic, please see the video. Okay, here in a mixture of milk and waters of the volume of 60 liter. Okay, the total volume of the milk and water is 60 liter, fine. Then the volume of the ratios of milk and water is 7:5, fine. The total unit is 7 unit as well as 5 unit, therefore I will take it as total unit is 12 unit. Therefore 12 unit is equal to 60, therefore 1 unit is equal to 1 is equal to numerator denominator, we already know 60 is equal to 1 divided by 12, that means 5. Okay, 5, therefore 7 5 the 35 as well as the whatever the milk, this is 7, water is 7, which one, 5 5 the 25, or else by using, I will show here as well, by using, or else we know that 7 divided by, how it is 35 is coming, 12 directly I written, or else 12 divided by total quantity is 60, 12 5 the 60, therefore 7 5 the 35. Like that also you can using that one. Here it is same as it, because this is different one, this is same as it is, the both the methods are same. How can we, because if you are knowing perfect in the ratio, you can utilize for those steps. Here it is, this is also same step, this is also same step, we directly taken as 12 unit like that. Here I am taking multiply like this. Okay, here it is the, how come it is a 5, right? 5 divided by 12 divided into 60, same as it is, 60 and 5 the 5 5 the 25, therefore here it is given as milk, and here it is water. Here this is the milk is 35 liter and water is 25 liter, from this ratio 7:5. How much quantity of water will be added to make the equal ratio? Fine, water I don't know how exactly the given thing, this is the X thing, I don't know how many liters they will add in the mixture for the water, therefore X I am taking. Here what I need to do is, this one is the n, now it is n1 and n2. What I need to do is already equal ratio. Equal ratio I will take it as 1:1 only for the better practice. This is the good thing. Okay, fine. N1 by n2, that means I will take as 35 divided by, because here it is adding, water is adding means 25 plus x, I am taking 25 plus x. Okay, here is equal to 1:1 is the ratio for the things. Therefore if you solve this one, this is different. If you solve this one, 35 is equal to 25 plus x. X is equal to 35 minus 25 is 10. The 10 liters of water is added here. How much quantity of water will be added to make the mixture equal ratio? Because for the making equal ratio 1:1, we need to add the 10 liter of water for the equal ratio. The initially it was 7:5. After 10 liter added, that should be coming as 1:1 ratio. Like that, we need to understand the topic. This is the one method. Okay, we can also find it. This is the ratio method. Either you can solve 25, because 35 25 we can solve from this method as well as this method. Nothing but the same method, because 12 directly I taken as 5. Here only I'm taken as 5 unit. That's what I mean to be say. Okay, this is the first one. This is the second method I need to tell here. Okay, how we need to do. Okay, observe carefully. I concentrated on, I will show the two methods as well. Concentrated on milk here. Concentrated on milk for initially. Initially this was the volume was 60 liter. Okay, initially this was the 60 liter. Understand, 60 liter of milk. Okay, 60 liter of milk means I don't know how much quantity of water is added. That is, I've taken as x liter. Understand, for the 60 liter of milk, how many percent of this 7, how many, because initially concentrated milk only, therefore concentrated milk means 7 by 12 is there. I don't know the water because 0 content. Here I am concentrated milk, therefore the percentage is 0%. I am taking 0%. Understand why I am taking the 0%? The milk, because I am concentrated on the milk, that's why I am taking a 0%. If I am concentrated on water, how we need to concentrate on water? 60 liter same as it is, and this is the x liter. If I'm concentrated on water, initially the water the mixture 60 liter of how much, how many milk content is there? 5 by 12 of things is the water things. Is the water thing here. For the 60 liter, the water content is 5. Okay, here it is, I don't, here it is 100% of water is, because I am considering water here present is 100% only for the 60 liter. Okay, here it is for I am concentrating on the 60 liter of the milk. That's what I am taking as here as 7 of 12. 7 of 12 means I am concentrating milk. That's what here water, there is no content of milk. Understand? That's what I make it as in milk there is no content of water. Initially this was 0%. Okay, here how many quantities of water will equal ratio? Equal ratio means nothing, already to 1:1. Here I am concentrated 1 is the total unit should be 2 unit. Therefore I am taking as 1 by 2. I am showing that this is the method 2. This is the method 3. Understand? I will show same answer should be coming. Already I told 10 liter answer 1 by 2. Taking the LCM of those things 12 and 2. What is the 12 and 2 is the LCM. The LCM should be the 12 only. Understand? The LCM should be 12 only. 12 means that should be 12. LCM for the LCM of 1 and 12, and here it is coming as 1 only. That's what 12 2 LCM should be 2 only. That's what if I'm LCM taking, this should be coming as 7. The 0 should be coming as 0 only. Should be coming as 0 only. As well as what we need to do here, it is 12 6. Here it is coming as 6. Okay, same as a ratio method, coming as ratio method. Here coming, what should be coming? This one is coming as 6. Understand? 6. Here it is coming as 6 minus 1 is 1. Therefore already we know the things. Here also same. Here LCM is nothing but a 12. Here for this one 12 is the LCM. 12 is the LCM for this topic. Therefore 5. Here it is 5. Here it is 100 is 100% is nothing but a 1. I am taking as 1 only. That's what here make it turn as 1 means this is 12, the LCM of 12. If I'm divided by 12, that should be coming as 12. Here it is what we need to do is also a 6. Fine. Now here if you're solving this one, how could be the things is coming? 6. Here it is 6 is coming. Here it is this is the n1, this is the n1, this is the n2 value. Here it is 6 means here it is what is the thing 6, and 6 minus 1 is coming. Fine. How we need to solve this problem? Here say okay, I will take it as same as it is. First I will solve this one. Fine. 60 by n1 by n2 is x. Therefore coming is 6 by 1. Okay, 6x is equal to 60. Therefore x is equal to 10 is the answer. 6 10 the 10. The answer is same as it is, right? Okay, this one is over, this one is over. Okay, I will take it as this method. How should be the things? Okay, I will take here only 60 by x, here coming also 6 by 1 only, because why? Same as it is coming 6 by 1, 6 1 is 1, the answer should be coming as same only. Okay, 6 x is equal to 60, therefore x is equal to 10. See, observe carefully friend, if you are applying wherever the concentration of milk or water, the answer should be coming as same, depend upon yours which one is concentrated, or else apply the logic of first method only by using the ratio method, or if you are comfortable with this method you can concentrate of these things, milk or water, because I am showing all the steps with respect to milk as well as water. Okay, answer should be coming as same only. Okay, I will take the next problem for the better understanding purpose. You will definitely understand this topic. Okay, this is the same problem, same as it is. Okay, initially I will take in as first method only. I will show the first method here. 30 liter is there, 30 liter. I will ratio method only. I will take even 8 is to 7, that means 8 by 15 by 30, that means 15 to the 8 to the 16 is coming. Anyway, 2 is okay, fine. This one is 7 by 15 by, because total is 8 plus 7 is 15. Because if you are seeing the videos in percentage or else profit, definitely you could understand the ratio method what I am solving before. Okay, fine. 15 to the 7 to the 14. Okay, 13, and here what is the question? In the mixture of milk and water, the volume of, okay, total volume is 30 liter. The ratio of milk in 8 is already calculated. Here it is the milk, here it is the water. The 16 and 17, here it milk is 16 liter and water is 14 liter. How much water should be added in the mixture of 4:5? Fine, given the already they given the ratios of this thing, what we need to, how much water should be added? I don't know how much water should be, x is there. Fine, what we need to do, already 4:5 is given. 16 divided by n1 by n, 16 by this is the 14 plus x, already given the ratio 4:5. 4:5. What is the thing here? 16 5 the 80 is equal to 14 for the 56 plus 4x. 80 minus 56 is 24 is equal to 4x. Therefore 4 6 therefore 6 liter. 6, if it's adding the 6 liter, the ratios will be converted into 4:5. Okay, x liter. That means if the 6 liter is added to this mixture, the ratio should be converted into 4:5. Like that we need to analyze the problem. Okay, I will take the concentrator with respect to the milk, which separately you definitely could understand. This is the second method I am showing here. Okay, this is the second method I am showing here. Observe carefully, I am concentrated on milk here. Okay, what is the n1 is the thing 60 liter, and n2 is the thing is x liter. I don't know how much water is added. That's what I make it as initial and level is given as. Okay, this one n1 and n2. For the thing here is 8 by 15 is the thing. I'm concentrating on the milk only. Concentrating milk on the means for the 30 liter of water, how many things? 18 by 15 is there. Understand? For the 30, because here I'm concentrating on the milk, because for the 30 liter 0% of water is present. Understand? Here I'm concentrating milk. Okay, here ratio is 4:5. Here is the milk value is 4. Therefore 4 by 9. Total is 4 plus 5 is 9 unit. Take the LCM of 9, 15 and 1. The LCM should be coming as 75. Because I already show the LCM and LCF method as well as shortcut method. Please see the video, you will understand how we need to sort it out with respect to the LCM and SCF. Okay, LCM 15 3 the A3 is the 24 it is coming, and 0 because A3 is the 24, 15 3 the 15 3 the 45. That's what 3 to the 8 3 the 24. I return. Okay, here 9. Fine. 9 5 the 45, 5 4 the 20. Fine. What is the thing coming here? Here it is the 20, here it is the 4. Fine. It is the 4. Therefore 30 by x is equal to 20 by 4. Fine. 4 5 the, therefore 5x is equal to 30. x is equal to 6. Understand? Answer is already I know from the first one. 6 liter is the answer. This is concentrated on all the milk. Okay, I will take it as concentrated on water. What should be answer? The answer should be same. For the better understanding purpose, I am showing 30 liter and x liter of water. I don't know. Here I am concentrated on the water thing. Water thing means what is the water? 7 of 15. Here water, what should be present? The water should be 100%, means 1 I am taking. 100% I am taking the 1 only. Okay, here it is the water thing is concentrated on water. This one is method 3. Answer should be coming as same, I know, because for the better understanding purpose I am showing 5 by 9. Okay, LCM of already I know that should be 45. LCM coming as 15 and 19 in before method 45. Okay, 7 3 the 21, therefore 45. Here it is coming, here it is as 4 the 5 5 the 25. Fine, 5 5 the 25. Here coming as 25 minus 20. Here coming, here it is 4 20. Here 4 same as it is coming, 30 by x divided by 20 by 4. 4 5 the, therefore 5x is equal to 30. Therefore here it is as x is equal to 6 liters. See, wherever the problem is coming like this, definitely you could solve from this method, where whether you are concentrating on milk or as water or ratio method, the answer should be coming as same, because so many problems are coming like this exam. Please concentrate on this topic, because I am showing the methods for confusion purpose. I taken the 2 problems, I am resolving all those problems. The answer should be coming as same. Concentrate on water or milk, or should be whether you are taking on water or milk, the answer should be coming as same. Or if you are comfortable with the ratio method, take it as ratio method. Okay, I will take the next problem. I will showing next problem. In what ratio must a grocer of 2 variants tea worth 60 rupees per kg? Fine. One is 60 rupees per kg and one more is 65 rupees per kg. Fine. Okay, so that by selling of the mixture as 68 point, okay, selling this, here it is a CP, here it is the selling means they given the 68.2 with respect to, so that the mixture should be, okay, by mixture with respect to, okay, I am taking as 10% here. Mixture should be taken by selling the mixture as 68.2 with 10%. Here it is not given. I am taking the 10%. If I am taking the 10% means please see the videos of profit and loss, how we need to sort it out, or shortcut methods of selling price and cost price. Right? We could understand 62.2 divided by 1.1. Why? Because here it is so 100% is there. 62. Okay, here it is coming as mixed as 62. Then we could easily solve this method. How it is coming? 65 minus 2 is 3, and 60 minus 60 is 1. 3:1 is the answer for this method. By using this logic, we could solve this problem. 3:1 is the answer from this formula. The problem is given something. They given the selling price as a cost price. They given the selling price. By using this logic, selling price, for the 10% profit, we need to apply the shortcut of selling price and cost. Already I covered in the section of profit and loss. Please see the video for the better understanding how we need to shortcut method of profit and loss. You could understand why I am doing like this. Otherwise you will not understand, because if you take, it would take more time. Okay, fine. The next topic is to next question. In a class, out of total member is 119. Fine. The total students is 119. Total students is 119. Fine. And the number of girls is 51. If the number of girls is 51, therefore the girl plus boy is equal to total member. Understand, girl plus boy member is total member. 119, girls is 51, plus boys I don't know. By using this logic, boys also 119 minus 51 is nothing but a 68. Therefore boys is 68. I got the boys number 68 here. Fine. If the average weight of the total class is 45, fine, they given the total average. Then the girls weight of, okay, fine, this should be a very easy problem. We need to find out those things. Okay, If the average weight of total class is 45 kg, then the girl, okay, the question is missing. The average weight of boys is given as 60 here. Fine. I need to find out, already given the overall weight is 45 kg. Here I am taking as 60 boys. Make it on the question is wrong. Average boys is 60 here, and girls we don't know. We need to calculate average weight of the girl. Here as well as 45 kg is given here. Middle is given. We need to sort it out the things. Therefore here 45 minus x is the thing. Here 45 minus 60. What we need to do, 15 is the thing. Therefore we already know the n1 and n2 is the thing. What is the n1 and n2? This is a 68 and 51. Girls is as 68. 68 is the boys and girls is 51 is equal to, what is the boys girls thing is 45 minus x divided by 15 is the thing. If you solve this one here, if you solve this one, okay, 17 3 the 17 4 the 68, 15 4 the, okay, I will write here 16, 15 4 the 16, 15 4 the, okay, I will take it as here only for the better. 3 1 the 3 5 the, okay, then it should be converted as 5 4 the 20 is equal to 45 minus 6. 45 minus 20 is 25. If x is minus 25, minus cancel, therefore 25 is the answer for this question. Therefore average weight of the girls is 25 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily solve. This is the one method, or else we can solve by using this method as well. How we need to do, okay, observe careful. This is also easy method. 60 is allegation method only. Here I don't know, right? Here it is the 45, they already know, because here it is given as the average weight is 68 is given. One I calculate from the 68, from here it is 51. Therefore 51 means I will take it as 4 the 17 4 the 17 3 the, okay. The 4 means, observe carefully, for here it is 60 minus 40 is 15, already got from this, okay. From here 45 minus 60 is 15. Therefore how many units are coming here? 5 unit. Then should be 4 5 the 20 minus 45 is how many things? 25. Like the backward method also, we can easily solve this method either using, because we already know 51 and 68 n1 and n2 is there 4 3, and anyway if you are subtracting for 60 minus 45 is 15 is coming. By using this logic, 3 5 the 15, okay, then apply, anyway 5 is coming, then 4 5 the 20, now it is coming. I got that girl ratio. Anyway we know that 45 minus 20 is 25. Backward method, 25 is the answer. Like that also we can easily solve. If you are comfortable with this, you can solve either by this method or that method, because if you are solving more problems, you will only get the ideas of solving the problems, okay. Next problem, the rupees 40 has to be distributed between 52 students, okay, fine. This is also a good problem. This so many times question is asking for all the exam, okay. The 40 rupees 41 has to be distributed between the 50 students, fine. Average, I know the average formula. Average is equal to, here it, okay, if each boys will get 90 paisa and each girls will 65 paisa, fine, okay. They are given the paisas, okay. I will take it as rupees, convert it as paisa, 4,100 paisa for 41 rupees, as well 50 student is there. Therefore average value should be 4 5 the 20, 5 2 the, okay, 4 8 the 40, 5 8 the 40. Therefore 82 is the average for those things, fine. Now average is coming, 82 paisa is the coming average value. Then calculation should be easy. Find the number of girls, this is also should be easy. Then 90 paisa for boys, and girls it is 65 paise for girls, and average we already got 82 things. 82 pies is the things. Okay, here it is 60. 82 minus 65 is 17. Fine. 90 minus 82 is 8. Okay, fine. Therefore total unit now it should be 75. 8 is 25 unit. 25 unit of total student is how many things? Total is 50 students. Total is 50 students. 50 students. Therefore 1 unit is equal to, therefore 25 to the 2. Then easily we can calculate 17 to the boys is 17 to the 34, girls is 17 to the 17 to the 34, as well as 8 to the 16. Okay, answer is 16 is the answer for these things. We can use either, if you are asking the questions of boys, there should be 34 and girls should be 16. We can easily solving by this method. No need of confusion anything. We can solve by using this methods. By using ratio method, if you are make utilize of ratio as well as allegation, we can easily solve any of the methods. Okay, I will go to the next problem, how the type of problem should be. Okay, in an examination 900 students are present. Okay, here 900 students are present. 85% of boys and 70% of girls are positive. Fine. Yes, 85% of boys, fine, and 70% of girls, fine. I will take it as 70% as well as 85% of girls, fine. Therefore here how many girls are appear to pass? Okay, the total pass part is also given here. Middle value is also given the problem, 75%. Therefore the value should be here 5 is coming. Here it is this is the 10. 85 minus 5 is 10, as well as 5 is the thing. Here 75 is total unit is 15. Okay, 15 unit, total student is 900. Therefore 1 unit is equal to how many things? 1 unit is equal to 15 5 the 15 6 the. Okay, or else if you're confusing with that, okay, fine, I will take it by using the things only if you're confusing with this method. Okay, girls and boys, understand, girls and boys, 10 by 5 is coming. Therefore now it should be 2:1 is coming, 2:1. Therefore I will take it as girls. Question is asking for girls. G is equal to, the total is 3 unit. 2 by 3, total students is 900. Therefore 3 the 100. Therefore answer is to be 600 is the answer for this question. 600 is the girls. If I asking the boys one, we can also easily solve. How many things is coming? 1 by 3 by 100. Therefore 900, total to 900, right? 300. Therefore 600 900 valid. Therefore answer is correct. Therefore 600 girls and 300 boys. You can easily solve the question by using this logic, by the allegation method. Fine. This is one more thing, one more problem. I will wind it up. In parking there are some 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers. Fine. Because in a parking lot 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers are present. That means car, 2-wheelers is nothing but a bike, and 4-wheelers is nothing but a car. If there are total number of vehicles is 100, okay, they are not at all mentioned how many cars, how many present. Okay, total vehicles is 100 vehicles, 340 wheels. Okay, fine. The average thing is, the middle value should be total wheels is 340 and 100 vehicles are there. Then 3.4 wheel is the average value. Here it is the 2-wheel vehicle, 4-wheel vehicle. This is the allegation method. I will show with respect to the ratio method as well. 3.4 is the thing. Therefore the middle value should be 0.6 here coming. Here it is 3.4 minus 2 is 1.4. It is coming here. Fine. Therefore this is the x and y things. Now I will take it as x, or X vehicles as a 2-wheeler and y as 4-wheeler. Okay, now 0.6 divided by 1.4. Fine, how many? 2 3 just 6 and 2 7 the 14. 3 by 7 is the thing. Okay, I need to calculate the wheels and as well as, oh, it should be very easy. The total units is now it is 10 unit. We can easily solve from this method. Total vehicle x I am taking 3 by 10 divided total vehicle is 100, therefore 10 the 30, one value is 30. One more thing is y, this is y, 7 by 10 divided by into 100 total vehicle, therefore 10 is the 70 is the thing, therefore 70 and 30 is the answer for this. How many vehicles? This is the one method, the unknown method by using equation method. Okay, the total vehicles is x plus y is equal to, that is 1 is bike, y is car, 100 is there. Okay, fine. Here the question is given as, if there are total vehicles is 30, okay, if their total is 100, okay, taken and 340 wheels, find the, okay, for the two vehicles there's two tires are present, two wheels are present. For the four vehicle, four wheels are present, therefore the total for those things 340 is present. Fine, this is the equation 1 and I will take it divided by 2 here for better calculation purpose. X plus 2y is equal to 170 equation, this is the 2. Okay, after I am solving by using equation x minus equation 1 minus equation 2, 100 here, x minus 2y is equal to 1. Okay, I will take it as better, I will make it as equation 2 minus equation x minus x plus 2y is equal to 170, therefore I will take it as minus minus minus, therefore here x's cancel, the value of y is equal to 70 is the answer for this one. Got it from the equation. Though applying any of the things from this equation, anyway x plus 70 is equal to 100, x is equal to 100 minus 70 is 30. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem by using this logic. This one also answer should be coming as same. Fine, like that we can easily solve any of the problem. I am solving only one problem, two problem, because allegation mixture is nothing but like these of kind of problems is asking in exam. That's why mainly highlighting or with respect to water or with respect to the things or with respect to this kind of problem we can easily solve by using this logic mixture and allegation. Either you can use the ratio method as well or else the mixture allegation method, the answer should be coming as same. If you are solving more problem, already I told before, you will get many shortcuts. Okay, I will take last type of problem in the mixture and allegation. I will wind up this session. Okay, in a vessel containing 10 liters of pure milk. Okay, 10 liter of pure milk, 1 liter is taken out and replaced with the water. Okay, total is 10 liter of water is there, 1 liter of taken it out and again 1 liter is taken out and taken out and replaced with the water. Again this process repeated more, totally 3 times is repeating, again repeated once more time, totally 3 times of water. These kind of problem already I solved in the profit and loss as well as percentage. If these kind of problem is coming as well, apply better to apply this logic. Successive percentage decrease, whenever we know the formula, final is equal to, final value is equal to initial 1 of minus of removed 1 by initial 1 and how many times are present. Like that we can use, or else final is equal to initial is equal to initial minus removed 1 by initial, or this formula. Okay, how many times initial value should be the, I need to find out the final quantity, because final quantity I need to initial 10 liter is present, therefore I am applying this formula, nothing but the same only 1 minus how many liters should be removed for every time. 1 liter should be removed, 1 liter and replace, 1 liter and replace. For this replaced and again adding this, please apply this formula, you will get the direct answer for these questions. Okay, total initial quantity is 10, how many times, 3 times they will replace, therefore 10 is equal to If you're solving that one, 0.91, 0.9 is coming, 0.9 whole to the power of cube, therefore 10 into 0.9 is 0.729, because 9 cube is 729, therefore 7 point, the answer should be 7.29 liter is the answer for this question. See, already I covered with respect to the concentration of milk and water, how we need to apply the form with respect to the formula, as well as how up with respect to the ratio for solving, how to solve all the methods I covered with one problem, and all the scenarios I solved. If you have any question in your mind, please let me know in the comment section, because I covered all the sections of aptitude and reasoning. Please see the links in the description section as well as the playlist section. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. This is a very easy topic, mixed analytic. You can easily solve any of the problem by using this formula. If you're solving more problems, definitely you could get the rough ideas of all solving all the problems. Thank you very much. Thank you, friends.